Hey guys, welcome back. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can fix Instagram uploading your images and videos in low quality. So first of all, to do this, what we need to do is head over to our Instagram app, and then once we head over to Instagram we can then head over to our profile. Once we head over to our profile, we need to head over to the three lines in the top right hand corner, click on the settings tab, and then we need to scroll down to the account option. Once we click on account, what we will need to do now is we will need to find the option for mobile data use. So mine is here near the bottom of the page. So once I click on this, as you can see, there is an option for media upload quality, and it says at the bottom of the page, upload at highest quality. So if you don't have this option enabled right here, when you're uploading your content, it will be at a lower quality just because of this setting. So what you need to do is enable this by just toggling this option on right there, and then you will get the full HD quality that you are looking for. So it's just that simple guys. If this video did help you out, please leave a like on today's video, and I will see you in the next one.